I'm sure you've heard the news. Owning a helicopter in Finland is now the ultimate life hack. Let's dive into how you can make it happen. First things first, you'll need a pilot license and to register your bird with Traficom. It's like getting a driver's license, but way cooler. Next, let's talk choppers. Are you in it for the views, the swag, or some serious business logistics? Robinsons are budget-friendly, Sikorsky's scream luxury. Choose wisely. Now don't forget the costs. It's not just about buying the helicopter. Maintenance, fuel, insurance, and hangar fees can pile up faster than you can say autopilot. Thinking new or used? New gives you the latest tech, but used saves cash. Just remember, secondhand might mean more trips to the mechanic. Finally, the paperwork. It's a jungle out there. Ensure your heli is lien-free and get a pre-purchase inspection. Good news, Grannville Consulting has your back through every twist and turn. And there you have it. Owning a helicopter in Finland is a thrilling ride with a bit of legwork. Ready to take off? Let's make those Finnish skies yours.